How to share a PowerPoint presentation on Zoom meeting. First thing you have to do is simply head over to your Zoom application, and then here you'll find an option to share. And here you're going to have to enter a meeting ID, or you could just create a new meeting and join there first. So let me just create a new meeting first. So as you guys can see here, I've created a new Zoom meeting. Now you're going to have to click on the share option. Then you can share a application, your entire screen, or a different window. So let's say if I have my presentation here on this window, I'm just going to click on it and then click on share. And now as you can see here, this screen is being shared. So I can see this application right here. Now what I'm going to do is on this application, I'm going to go to canva.com where I have my presentation. And then from here, you can just open up any presentation you have and then present it on your meeting. So let's just scroll down here and then find our presentation. So let's just click on this one right here. And as you can see here, the presentation is now being presented on the screen. So that's how you share screen or present a presentation on Zoom meeting. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.